I'm going to upload the video to YouTube. Here's the video edit sample 3B in my sample video edit folder. And I'm going to access YouTube from my browser. And I'm going to access my channel, because you did open a YouTube channel, didn't you? My channel. I have to silence this, and I'm going to manage videos. And now I can create a new video by clicking create up here in the upper right. Upload videos. A window opens. I need to make a little headroom here. This is the one I want. I can drag it over here and drop it. And as you see, it is now on its way up to YouTube. Here the title turns up in the title box. I can describe the video, tell my viewers about it. I'm not going to do that because this is a unlisted video for the purposes of demo. It will give me a chance to upload a thumbnail at some point, or to select it'll propose thumbnails that I can drag over, which we'll look at in a bit. I'm going to put this on a playlist for stumbling to hybrid meetings. And be done with that. I'm not going to play with the audience settings. This video is not made for kids. If you do make it for kids, you have a whole lot more screens to deal with. And it gives me the link that will go to the video once it finishes uploading. The next screen gives me the opportunity to add subtitles, add an end screen, or add cards. And if you start to play with loading your own videos or your club videos to YouTube, these are worth investigating, but you don't have to do anything here. The next screen is YouTube is doing its checks, and it takes its time doing that. It's looking mainly for copyright violations in music that you might have lifted from someplace. The main way to avoid copyright violations is to use only your own material. Clubs will need to answer to their own demonstrators whether the demonstrator wants copyright and what their rights are in terms of being able to post it at all, or posting it for a limited period of time, or posting it to the demonstrator's website for a period of time and referring people to it. People have all kinds of different arrangements. But that doesn't affect copyright here in the YouTube sense. They're mostly looking for stolen music, and if you rack up stolen music violations, they will shut you down. Next is visibility, save or publish. I can make it private, so only me and people I choose, give their email addresses, that is, can see the video. I don't ever do that. I can make it unlisted. If I click unlisted, anyone with the video link can see the video, and I can copy and paste the link into emails and send it to whoever I want to. So I'm going to do that with this video. Or I can make it public, in which everyone can see the video. And that means it'll start to turn up in search engines, and I should go back and fill in the description screens to create keywords that allow people to find it, and it'd be promoted. But at the club level, most clubs don't care about any of that. All they want to do is make it available to their membership, and unlisted does that. So I'm going to make the video unlisted, and I'm going to save it. The video has now been published. This was a short video. I can share a link in any of these channels. I don't want to do that. All I want to do is copy the video link to the clipboard, and I can close the file. Now here's my video, and I can send that video to anybody that I want to. I didn't do the photo. This picture here is just fine. I'll let that be the thumbnail picture, and we'll save it. Back to my channel content. So from the channel content page in YouTube, here's the video we've been working with, and these three dots give me access to quick options. I can click the top one and edit the title and description. I can click the middle one here and I'll get a shareable link. I don't do promote. I can download the video to a copy of it back to my own computer, and I can delete it forever. But all I want to do is get a shareable link. Now if I want to play the video, I can play it. This is how it'll play on YouTube. As you can see, this is the video that I uploaded earlier. And so now anyone that I send the link to can play the video, and I will send it to my club webmaster. He will link to it on the club website, and now it can be discovered through the club website.